Hi, I'm Nat Scott, New Homes Consultant for Summit Homes. I'm out at the Omnia display home today in Treeby to talk about my top tips for a functional family home. You need to consider your growing family when you're designing your home. Having a study or a parents' retreat next to the master bedroom is a really good idea. So when you have little ones, that can be used as a nursery, and when they're ready for their big kids' room, you can regain that space as your study or retreat. When designing your home, consider adding the games room or kids' activity area near to the kitchen and main living so that you can keep an eye on them. But I would also add some barn doors onto there so that you can shut off the noise or shut off the mess if you have guests coming over. When you're designing your bathrooms and en-suites, you need to consider how your family members are going to use those spaces. For example, if you have multiple children getting ready for school at the same time, you might want a longer vanity, you might want double basins, or you might want to design the layout so one child can be in the shower while the other child is in front of the mirror. And for your master and ensuite, you need to consider if you and your partner are on different schedules, it might be worth adding doors to close off that space so you're not disturbing each other.